Hi, this video tutorial explains how to download and install XILINX ISE. So to download XILINX ISE, which you use for Verilog, open your XILINX, open the website xilinx.com. So go to support and downloads and licensing. This will open up the downloads which XILINX generally provide. So you need the ISE, so go to ISE. So this is the ISE design suite which you use. So scroll down so that you can find the link to download ISE design suite. So full installer for Windows, click it. This will ask you to fill the document. So as you are a student and you're using this for your class, so which edition of ISE design suite do you plan to use? This is the web pack which we use. So select web pack, and then we generally use Vertex 4. So but if you want to use that for different family, so you can select all the device families so that you won't miss any of the design family. So this will ask how many times would you download it. So continue with download. If you already have a XILINX account, sign in with that account. Otherwise, you can create an account here if you're a new user. Go ahead and create an account. So I already have an account, so using those credentials, I'll sign in. This will ask you to fill the form. Fill it and press next. XILINX ISE will be downloaded. It's with the extension .tar. So it takes about 40 minutes to download because it's a 6 GB file. So go ahead and download it. You must also download the application which helps you to extract .tar file. So go ahead and download XILINX and even the application which helps you to extract .tar. Once you download your XILINX with an extension .tar, you can use an application named 7-zip to extract your files. So I'm extracting my files to my desktop. Okay. I'm extracting all the files to my desktop. takes about 5 to 6 minutes to extract all the files onto your desktop. So wait till all the files are being extracted. So once you are done extracting all the files, the next step is to go ahead and install XILINX. So it's been extracted to my desktop, so go ahead and open your XILINX. So after you extract all your files onto your desktop, go ahead and open your extracted file. So you'll find the application setup. So your system will ask you to give it authorization. So press yes. So to install XILINX, go ahead and press next. So you need to accept the terms and conditions. So check the terms and conditions box and then go ahead. Check I agree and agree to the terms and conditions above. Press next. The edition which you want to download is ISE Webpack. So click on the radio button ISE Webpack and click next. Click next, and you can give the location where you want to save ISE. Click next and start your installation. The installation may take up to 1 hour, so wait patient until your installation is done. There may be some interrupts while downloading, so go ahead and solve those interrupts. Wait till ISE is installed completely. Once your download is done, click on finish. So check your okay. The license configuration manager will be popped up this window. When this window is popped up, you need to locate the existing license which you have. So if you don't have an existing license, go ahead and click the radio button, get free ISE Webpack license, and click on next. Click on connect now. So this will open the website where you can download the license file for your XILINX. So using your user ID which you created while downloading XILINX, sign in using your credentials. So it will ask for the info. So click on next after you are done with filling out the info. So you need to check the design suit license here, so which can be used for so there is no limit for use of this XILINX license. So go ahead and click on generate node lock license. Click on next. Click on next. Your license will be generated and this will be sent to your email. So go ahead and check the email which you used to create the profile in XILINX and download the license file which you get in the email. Once you download the license file which you get in the email, go ahead and check the license configuration manager. So click on locate existing license, click next. You need to locate the license, browse the license file which you downloaded. So this is my license file, xilinx.lic. So open it. So once your license is installed, click on OK. This will automatically be refreshed. And close this window. So to check the ISE, there will be an icon on your desktop once you download and install your ISE design suite. So go ahead and open the XILINX design suite. Click on OK. If you did not find the XILINX license manager, you can manager window once you install your XILINX. Go ahead and open the XILINX ISE and go to help. So this will give you an option of manage license. Click on that and you'll find the window with managing licenses. So as I said, go ahead and load the license which you downloaded and refresh it. Now I will show you a simple program. So go ahead and create new project. Give your file project name. So when you try to create a project, your XILINX will be stopped. So it stops working. So to set this, you need to do some changes. So the changes will be like close everything. When you try to design a circuit in your XILINX, suddenly your window may be closed. So to solve this problem, you need to follow and make some changes in your downloaded file. So for these changes, go ahead and open your XILINX. Go ahead and open your C drive where you downloaded your XILINX, where you installed it, and open your XILINX 14.7. This is the latest version. So, and open ISE underscore DS. Open ISE and open LIB. Open NT64. Here you need to rename some of the files and copy some of the files. So go ahead and search for LIB portability.dll and rename this to libportability.dll.org. ORIG. Copy a nosh libportability nosh.dll and rename it to libportability.dll. So once you are done with this, your changes, your ISE XILINX works properly. So let's go ahead and check the XILINX again. Once you open your XILINX, go ahead and create new project. So let us name it as example. And click next. Click next. As you can see, the problem which we faced earlier has been solved. So I'll show you an example of a simple XOR operation. So right click on the project which you created, add new source. So this is the Verilog module. So check on Verilog module, give it a name. The file name with the X will be created. If you want to give the input here, you can give it here. Otherwise, you can directly give it in your program. So click next and finish. So a module with name X will be created. So you can write your code here. So I'll be using two inputs and an output. Let's see, out. So you need to mention the inputs and outputs. So input A and your B are the inputs. So your output is out. So I'll do a simple operation of XOR and save my result in out, which is the XOR of A and B. This is simple code. Let us save this code and create a test bench to run this code. So to create a test bench, select your project, right click on it and add new source. So this is the Verilog test fixture. So go ahead and name it. So if you have many number of modules, you need to select the top module. I have only one module, so I'll be selecting the same module. Click next and finish. To simulate this test bench, you need to go ahead and click simulate. So if you want to give your inputs, this is the 1-bit input, so you can change your inputs here. So I'll give my input A as 1 and input B as 0. So to simulate it, I'll check on simulate and select my TB, which I just created. Go to ISE simulator and check the behavioral syntax. Okay, save it. Once your behavioral check is done, go ahead and simulate the behavioral model. A window with the inputs and output waveform will be opened up. So as you can see, my inputs are 1 and 0 and my output, which is XOR, is 1. This is how you write the programs in Verilog and simulate it. Thank you.